Well, today we're going to show you how to clean your smoker. All that black creosote tar that builds up, I don't know if you can see, but there's only maybe 3-4 little holes open for the smoke to go through, and that's a reason your smoker goes out a lot of times. Not enough airflow, so it'll go out. And this is the easiest way that I've found to clean a smoker. I sit here with a nail and poked holes and clogs right back up. But just take a little propane torch, fire it up, make sure you got a pair of channel locks or something so you don't burn your hand. Immediately it starts smoking, and just burn it off. Not only is it clogging the holes, but it's also built up in the top part of your smoker. I know a lot of the smokers you buy nowadays don't have this little grill in it, but I love my old smoker. You can do this with the barrel and all. Just burn it for a minute or so, and then take your hive tool, scrape it, tap it, and all that'll come right out. Wind's blowing in my face. Find a piece of equipment you really like. I've replaced the bellows on this smoker because it's one of the big ones and I really like it, so I'll waste a little gas cleaning her up. I don't know if it's picking it up on the phone, but you can hear it crackling and popping. Alright, let's take a hive tool. I don't know if you can see that falling out. Ooh. Now, if you can see it, look at all those holes. There's only like 2 holes. Now you got just about all of them. Well, then what I'll have to do is take a screwdriver, because there's a bunch of the creosote when I burnt the outside came loose. It's kind of too big to come through. Well, maybe not. Yep, there it is. Clean as a whistle. Well, that's a quick tip of the day. Thanks for watching Woolly Bees. Like and subscribe. If you want to get a notification, hit the bell. Let's go play in some bees. I'm going to have fun.